What's up guys, my name is Sergio, and in this video I want to go over three things. First, I want to talk about conversion tracking and how to set that up on Facebook. Second, I want to talk about how to verify your domain for iOS devices and using aggregated event measurement. Third, I want to talk about how to set up a conversion campaign. So with that being said, let's get started. Right now I'm in the Facebook for Developers conversion tracking page. So there's three ways to track conversions with the Facebook pixel. There's standard events, custom conversions. Standard events, those are already like predefined by Facebook with like the most common ones. So for example, purchase. There's like a snippet of code you could put on the confirmation page when someone purchases, and Facebook will know that is a purchase. It looks something like this. It looks pretty simple. FBQ track and then just purchase. Facebook will know what that is since it's already predefined. You just got to put like parameters in there. And in this video, I'm not going to go over in detail how to set this up, like in the code, how to like where to put the code on your website. In this video, I want to go over more like the simple ways to like set the conversion tracking. So that's standard events. Custom events, that's when you want to track something like that's not predefined. So let's say you want to track like a learn more button. Like every time someone clicks that, you just got to set up like a track custom, like a custom code. Looks something like this. You just got to put track custom and then what exactly you're tracking. But again, I'm not going to go in detail on where to put that on the website. There's an easier way to do that too with the event manager. And then custom conversions, that could be like a page view. So let's say there's a thank you page. So if they make it a thank you page, that's a lead. You could put the URL slug like /thank you as a custom conversion. So those are like the three main conversion tracking, with the Facebook pixel. So I want to go over how to set up a custom conversion and then custom event. It's really easy. These are like the easiest ways you could set up the conversion tracking. So let's go into the business manager and make sure you go to event manager. Let me go to mine real quick. Personal brand. Okay. So to set up a custom event, let's say you want to track like a button, just go to add events, and then there's an option that says from the pixel. Click from the pixel, open event setup tool, and then enter your website. In this case, I'm gonna use my blog. Okay. Alright, so here's my blog. You're gonna see this if the Facebook pixel is installed. I did this earlier, let me see. Alright, so let's say you want to track a new button, right? Just click that and then track the button. I'm gonna track see all posts. Click that, and let's say it's like an initiate checkout for you. Don't include value, confirm, and then just finish the setup. Skip, and that's pretty much it. Let's see if I refresh. Well, first let me go to my website and actually do the action there. So okay, so let me just click the button right now. See all posts. Alright, so it activated. Alright, so let me just go back to event manager, refresh. You see pretty much takes a while to like receive data, but it's here. You just make sure it's in there just by clicking event manager, and then you can see like event triggered when the button text is see all posts. All right, so that's how you can set up a custom event with the within like the events manager and the event setup tool. Now let's say you want to track some type of thank you page or just a certain URL, certain page. Go to custom conversions, create custom conversion, and then you name it whatever you want to name it. So let's say thank you page, and let's say your URL for your thank you page is just /thank you. All right, and then you just click create, and that's pretty much it. So that's custom conversion and custom event. Now so those are like the easiest ways to like set let's say you have like some type of lead form and it goes to a thank you page, you could do a custom conversion. Or let's say you want to track like a sign up button when people click it, you could do a custom event using the event setup tool. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over like the simple ways to like track. And if you're using something like Shopify, a lot of times there's an app that like integrates with Facebook, and it already has like added cart, initiate checkout, purchase already like predefined for you. You don't have to do much. But if you're doing if you're using like a custom built website or something like that, I understand like it could be harder to like manually install the code. So here are two easy ways to set that up. So second, I want to talk about how to verify your domain. Right now my blog is not verified, so let's go ahead and do that. So go to business settings in your business manager, and then go to on the left side you'll see users, accounts, data sources, all that. Go to brand safety, click domains, and then just click add, and then just add your domain. Click add, and then you gotta, there's three ways to do it. There's with the tag, with the HTML source, like entering in the code, or with the DNS text record, which is with your domain. So let's say you have like Namecheap, you would have to like update it in there. But the easiest way is just copying and pasting the code. So this meta tag. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that and go to my website, and this is on WordPress. So let me just go to my website. All right, so you just got to go to the theme editor, click go to theme editor, and then locate the head section, theme header, and then it should be like right under, in between head. So just paste it in there, update file. Okay, and then you just click verify domain. Let's see if this works. Okay, so it failed. Must have not let me see here. Okay, so I'm not sure why it's not working. I'm putting it in ahead, but an easier way to do this is by using a plugin actually. So let me just go to settings, and it's a plugin called insert headers and footers. It makes it really easy to put any code in the header. So I just have to paste it in here, scripts and header, save, and then just go back here and let's click verify, and bam, domain is verified. So yeah, I mean, for this example I'm using WordPress, but for like any other website you just gotta locate the head script the HTML source and put the code in there. So that's how you verify the domain. Now let's go to aggregated event measurement. This is important. This is something new that Facebook came out with now, which is you got to organize the events by priority. So it could be like purchase, initiate checkout, add to cart. The highest priority, let's say for people that like opt out from iOS devices, it's gonna track the one that you have the highest priority, and it probably won't track like the other ones you have as the lower priority. So that's why it's important to have the aggregated event measurement. So let's just click configure web events, and let's go to my domain, click manage events, click edit. Now I don't have a lot of events for this website, so I'm just gonna add what I have, custom conversion, and then I have like a thank you page. All right, and I could add as many as I want, well up to 8. So yeah, and then you can just organize by priority here, and you just click review, and that's it for aggregated event measurement. Lastly, I want to go over how to create a conversion campaign. So if I go to my ads manager, let's click create conversions, and let's just name it test campaign. We could just continue. Okay, so go to the ad set level, select your pixel, and then you select the conversion event. Now when you see this yellow symbol, it just means that there hasn't been any activity, or you haven't put it in like aggregated event measurement, in the priority list. So once you have the domain verified and you have those conversion events in the aggregated event measurement list, you should be able to set this up. So let's see, let's just put anything like contact. All right, and then you're always going to see like if it's not verified, if your domain's not verified and you don't have like the aggregated event measurement in place, you're gonna see this message like this event has been prioritized for iOS 14.5, or whenever you're watching this, it could be like iOS 15, 16, all that. Okay, so that's pretty much how to set it up. I mean, once you have it domain verified, aggregated event measurement, the conversion events set up, you just enter it in here, and you're done. And then you just do everything else, budget, location, ads, all that. So yeah, that's all I wanted to go over in this video. So conversion tracking is really important. Like over 90% of my campaigns are conversion campaigns, and that's because you're pretty much telling Facebook, let's say for example you want purchases, you're telling Facebook you want more of that conversion and you're optimizing for that. Let's say you're doing a traffic campaign and you're it's just getting as many link clicks as possible. Facebook is smart enough to like look for the people that are most likely to click, and it's just a bunch of people that like to click but may not necessarily be interested in what you have to offer. They're just people that like to click on random stuff. So Facebook will like pretty much optimize for that if you put like a traffic campaign. But if you set up a conversion campaign and you say you want a lead, you want people to click this button, like the sign up button, you're pretty much telling Facebook to optimize for that specific conversion. So that's why conversion tracking is really important, and setting that up. So yeah, with that being said, feel free to leave a comment down below, give a like, and subscribe if you were looking for more of this type of content. I'm going to be talking more about paid media, e-commerce, and digital marketing. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.